Hi.
Hi, Nick. How are you?
I'm great. How about you?
Where's your mom?
Oh, she's actually cooking right now, but you can come right in.
Wow, your house is so nice.
Oh,
Give me a quick tour.
Yes, of course. Come on in.
What's your favorite part of the house?
Well, actually, we're headed there right now.
Wow, Nick, this is so cute. Tell me more about it.
Oh, thank you so much. Well, as you can see, I collect a bunch of Sanrio stuff from when I was a little kid. And these posters on my wall are some places that I've been to. Sorry, let me just put some light in.
Nick, hold on. Can we go back to the blinds? They look so cool.
Oh, yeah, of course. Well, actually, these are double roller shades. So in the morning, I like to put this down so that you can have a lot of light and privacy. But also, when I'm sleeping, I can put this down so that it blocks out most of the light.
Wow, where did you get that?
I got it from Skyview Blinds and Shades.
I better get that for myself since I'm moving.
I know, right? Well, actually, they're located in the Northeast, so you can totally get them.
Really?
Yeah. Oh. My mom. She actually just finished cooking. Do you want to come?
Of course, we'll never say no to good food.
Great.